Good morning, everyone. The series of questions here are serve as our review for the considering the coverage that we have take up on the first quarter. So this review question may serve as our reference in recalling all the concepts that we take up already. So I have to run through this and try to observe the solution and the questions that is being asked and what should be the particular process that should be suited to find out what is required in the problem. Number one, we are required to simplify negative 2 cubed minus negative 3 squared. Number two, how much less is negative 84 than negative 48? Number three, which is the largest among the given option with the corresponding fractional value? Number four, how much will you pay for an item which originally cost 750 pesos but is now on sale with 20% discount? Number five, if the universal set contains the elements, so with set A and set B, you're required to find the complement of A. Number six, in number five, meaning you are referred to what is given on number five, you are required to find the intersection between the complement of A and the complement of B. For numbers 7 to 9, referred to the situation below. The situation is the class of 45 students took examinations in science and in math. If 35 passed in science and 15 passed in math, and there are 6 failed both subjects. Question number 7. How many students passed both subjects? Number 7. Number 8 rather. How many students pass science only? Number 9. The original question is how many students pass science only. So I think it's intended for math. How many students have passed math only? Number 10. Of the given illustration, which is the correct Venn diagram of B union A union C? No, it's not union but B minus A minus C. Number 11. Which set notation represents shaded region in the given Venn diagram? Number 12. Which of the following rational number is finite? For numbers 13 and 14, use the given situation below. A group of students were asked whether they use either Yahoo or Google. 25 of their students are 25 of their students use Yahoo and 30 use Google. Question number 13. How many uses Google only? Number 14. How many uses both websites? For number 15, which of the following set of integers are arranged from least to greatest? Question number 16. What integer is 12 units to the left of negative 26? Number 17. In math contest, every correct answer is worth 3 points and every wrong answer is worth negative 2 points. If Ernest answered 20 questions correctly and 5 wrong answers, what was the total points? I think the option is on the next page. Number 18. Mrs. Concepcion made 47,500 pesos in the stock market while Mrs. Cruz lost 23,800 pesos. What was the difference in their performance? Question number 19. What is the difference of 93 and negative 65? Number 20. What is the product of negative 100 times negative 11? Number 21. Which of the following decimal number has the digit 7 in thousands place? Number 22. Which of the following is a whole number but not a counting number? Number 23. Evaluate negative 1 to the power of 101 minus negative 1 to the power of 100. In this case, we're talking about exponential numbers. Whatever is written in the exponent matters. And definitely, the identification of its terms or its exponential value will depend on the exponent. And certainly, in the rule of the operations of exponential number, if you are required to combine exponential value, you can only add if the exponents are the same. When we are going to say that they are the same, when their exponents are the same. That's the only time that we are going to add if we apply the law of exponents. But here, I don't know what happened. I noticed that two different terms, even though it's numerical in per se, but basically they are of different terms. So we have no right supposed to be to combine these numbers. Okay? But for the benefit of the doubt, maybe the answer here is 0. Number 24. Set A, we have the letters on words of mathematics, while in set B, we have the vowels of the English alphabet. what if you are required to find A intersection B, what particular option will satisfy that such requirement? Number 25, what should be subtracted by negative 15 to obtain 7, positive 7. Number 26, what remains when 3 over 8 is subtracted from 1 whole? Number 27, which two consecutive integers does square root of 300 belongs? Or between which two consecutive integers does square root of 300? Number 28, if S is at negative 43 and M is at positive 22, how long is SM? Number 29, what integer is 19 less than negative 74? Number 30, which of the following statement is true? The set of whole numbers in the subset of the set is counting numbers. The set of whole numbers is a subset of the set of integers. Third, we have the set of rational numbers is a subset of the set of real numbers. And fourth option will be all signed numbers are integers. So I think the answer here is not letter C but letter D, all of the above. Okay, for number 31, simplify 21 minus 9 divided by negative 3. Number 32, if each liter of gasoline costs 42.65 pesos, how much will 5.2 liters cost in the nearest centavo? Number 33. What is the smallest positive integer by which 108 can be multiplied to make it a perfect square? Number 34. Starting in the middle step of the ladder, the fireman goes up by 7 steps and down by 11 steps. Up again by 6 steps, down by 7, finally up by 12, and found that he is on top of the ladder. How many steps are there in the ladder? Number 35. What is a fraction from a form of a number 1.030303 ellipses? Number 36. Money receives a monthly salary of 12,000 pesos. He spends one third of it on house rental of it on bills. 1/4 of it on bills. Again. 1/3 of it in on house rental. 1/4 of it on bills. And 30% on food. How much money does he have left for his leisure activities? So it runs a quite longer solution. What we're going to do is to find out the one third, the value of 1/3 for the rental amount with respect to 12,000 pesos income. And find out again another 1/4 value out of the salary for the bills, and 30% you take out from salary for food. And what is left, that is the value that we need to find out. Number 37. What must be subtracted from -12 to get -31? Number 38. How many 25 centavos are there in 18.75 pesos? Number 39. What must be subtracted by 5/8 to obtain 1 3/4? Number 40. Given the universal set, are whole numbers less than 12? For set B, are the prime numbers less than 10? The question is, which of the following are the elements of A complement? Number 41. How many watermelons can Mikey buy with 1,000 pesos if each costs 75 pesos? Number 42. What integer is 19 less than -74? 43. Simplify -3 to the power of 3 minus -2 to the power of 3. Number 44. What is the decimal form of 5/8? Number 45. Evaluate 5 divided by 5 times the quantity of -6 minus the quantity of 2 cubed plus the quantity of 23 minus -5 squared. I think in this question, the obtained answer to the solution is not found in the option. So there's something wrong with the question, the options. Number 46. If it is well-defined collection of distinct objects. So what is that? Try to find it out in the given option. For number 47, what property is being described in the quantity of -2 plus 3 to be added by 5 equal to -2 plus the quantity of 3 plus 5? Number 48. Which of the following is not a rational number? Number 49. A certain grocery is giving away special prices for its anniversary sale. Every 16 customer gets a bag of groceries, while every 24 gets can of biscuits, and every 36 customer gets basket of fruits. Who will be the first customer to receive all the prizes? Now, I think this problem implicates to a certain pattern, and I use a multiplication of numbers to 8. We notice that we multiply 8 by 2, it is exactly equal to 16, and it is the one who received the bag of groceries, followed by the factors of 8 times 3, which is equivalent to 24, who received a can of biscuits. The next is 8 times 4, which is equivalent to 36, get a basket of fruits. Now, to the question who will be the first customer to receive all the prizes, so by continuing the pattern, we're able to come out with multiplying 8, a number 8 times 9, which is equal to 72. So of the options, I think that's 72nd customer would receive all the prizes. Okay, so we're talking about patterns, by the way. For number 50, what number is 109 more than thrice 49? Now, I think all the questions are presented and solutions for a possible answer is being presented accordingly. So hopefully you familiarize and study what's going on with the problem and how we're going to solve it. Now, I hope that it will help you for tomorrow's examination. By the way, this is your teacher, Mr. Cedric A. Borres. Thank you, everyone.